Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to be showing you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet using your PC. So you want to make sure that you have your Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser, and after that's installed you are going to log in as we have this. As you can see, we have our Phantom Wallet here and it's on our browser. The next thing we are going to do is to click on send, and then we are going to select the Solana network. Now you are going to put in the recipient Solana address. In this case, you could decide to use Binance, Bitcoin, by Trust Wallet, any other exchange that uses Solana. You are going to go over to the exchange, select the Solana network and come over here. Be careful to make sure that you are copying the alphanumeric address accurately. And after pasting it, you are also going to paste in the amount. And also when you are trying to get the alphanumeric address from the exchange, such as Binance or Trust Wallet, you are going to be selecting the network sole, because if you use the wrong network, you will lose your funds. So after getting the alphanumeric address, you are going to paste it here and put the amount and click on next. When it's successful, you are going to receive Solana in your other exchange, and after having it into another exchange, you could use P2P feature to convert it from crypto to cash into your bank account. So these are the steps to follow if you want to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So it's very simplest way to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.